Hi guys, I'm Guy, your DIY guy, and today I want to show you how to replace the engine air filter of my Subaru Forester XT. It's the same process for any Subaru Forester. It's very easy. I'm gonna use the engine air filter of this company. As you can see, it can be done in 4 easy steps. This one was decent, had a good rating and a high amount of buyers, but probably you can buy different brands as well. Please note that I'm not a pro. I'm doing it just for fun and to show you guys how you can do stuff yourself very easily. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so first let's open the engine bay by pressing here. Now, in order to open it, you have a small switch here that you have to press, and you can see the engine. Now, in the engine, you can see this is the place of the air filter. Here is where it's located. I can open this, and you can see this is the air filter right here. Let's open the air filter. That's how it looks like. Now let's take out the old air filter. We have to push it a little. You can see. You have to take it out. As you can see, it's filled with lots of dirt. Now we are going to put the new air filter inside. Make sure that it sits in place. As you can see, it sits in place. And we're gonna tighten the bay, and that's it. We are done. Very simple, as you can see. Simply remove the old one, put the new one, and that's it. We are done. As you can see, this is the old filter. You can see all the dirt and all the pieces. The other side is much cleaner because the air is flowing through this side. Now let's turn on the engine and make sure that everything works good. As you can see, this is the place where the air filter is. No strange noises. Engine sounds is okay. So I think everything should be fine. That's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.